Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. As you are aware that because of the pandemic situation, the ICSE board has further reduced the syllabus in most of the subjects. The link for the PDF of reduction in the subjects is given in the description box. You can check that and prepare the subjects accordingly. For the computer application subjects, today we will discuss what all topics are present. Now today in this video I am not discussing what was there and what is removed from the syllabus. I will be taking all the points which are there for your exams of 2021, and we will take all these points one by one and I will tell you what all are under these topics and what is present on this channel so that you can prepare the course properly. The topics which are not present will be uploaded soon and I wish you all the best for that. Now I am taking one by one and I will be discussing what all is present in these topics. In total, if we see, we have total 7 points of your syllabus. First is revision of class 9th syllabus. In this you have starting from introduction to object oriented programming concept till nested for. All this was there in your class 9th syllabus. Already you have done this in previous year, so that will be there. Entire class 9th syllabus is there excluding computing and ethics chapter that you did in class 9, but that will not be taken here. So apart from that, everything what you did starting from introduction of OOPS till nested for is there. Now from point number 2, all this portion is of class 10. The first is class as the basis of all computation. In this we will be doing class as user defined type and class as abstraction, class as composite type, class as object factory. So we will be doing the programs of class as basis of all computation in this topic. This is still pending on this channel. I will be uploading that very soon. The next topic is user defined methods or function. In this we have different type of functions, pure function, impure function. Then you have different type of calling of the functions, call by value, call by reference. The programs which are there in your syllabus are using call by value only. For call by reference you have only the definition and the example. So you will not have to do the programming practice for call by reference programs, only call by value. And yes, function overloading is there in this chapter. You have to prepare that also very properly. Now we move on to constructor. Constructor chapter is still pending on this channel. That also will be done very soon. In constructor you have the definition, the use of constructor, different types of constructor and constructor overloading. So this constructor will be combined with class as basis of all computation for programming, and you may get theory questions of section A from this topic. Then we have library classes. Library classes includes the introduction to wrapper classes, the functions of wrapper classes in which we have most of the character functions are present. Then you have auto boxing, unboxing, which is included in library classes. Yes children, many of you have asked whether the programs are there from library classes or not. Yes, it can be asked. So you just be ready with what is there in your topic, and this programming is also very simple, very easy. Library classes topic is present on the channel. Then we have arrays. In arrays you have only single dimensional arrays and how to store the elements, how to access those elements, then simple calculation, simple computation on single dimensional array. Then you have one searching technique, that is linear search, and one sorting technique, that is bubble sort technique, is present in your syllabus. We don't have double dimensional array. So you have only single dimensional array with one searching, one sorting and the basic computation on the arrays. And then the next topic is string handling. From string handling there are no arrays. Arrays earlier in reduction of the syllabus which was declared on 3rd July, string arrays was there in the syllabus, but now it is removed from the syllabus. So in string handling, as per the further reduction of the syllabus, from this we have only the string class and its method. All the methods which are there in the syllabus, please prepare those methods. And as per the syllabus, you have the syntax, purpose and working examples of the methods. So as per the analysis, there should not be any programming, complete programming of strings in section B, but all the functions are there and the questions can be asked in section A from this topic, like write the return type of this, which function is used for which purpose, then what will be the output of the following string functions, following statements using string functions are given. So all these things are there in your syllabus, and all these things will be covered in your theory paper of 100 marks. Yes, you have to appear for the theory exam of 100 marks, which again contains two sections, section A and section B. Section A 40 marks and section B 60 marks, in which you have to attempt 4 questions of 15 marks each, and each 15 mark question contains the program as well as variable description. So I hope I have explained the topics which are there in your syllabus and you have understood. Still, in case of any doubt, you may comment in the comment section, and please go through the PDF which is there in the description box. The link is present and you can download, and it is there for all the subjects in today's PDF. And please prepare these topics. I wish you all the very best for your exam. Children, please don't worry. The topics which are left will be uploaded very soon, and I am there for helping you in computer application subject. In case of any doubt, you can always comment in the comment section. You may join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is given in the description box. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for all the videos. Keep practicing, keep working hard. God bless you, children.